Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about something very real. Something many of us are facing right now. Maybe you are tired. Maybe life is not going the way you plan. Maybe people are talking about you. Maybe you feel alone. Maybe you feel like what is the point? I want you to stop for a moment and listen to this story. This is the story of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Musa alayhi salam did not have an easy life. He was born at the time when Pharaoh, the most powerful man on earth, had ordered the killing of every baby boy. From day one, Musa alayhi salam's life was in danger. His own mother had to place him in a basket and release him into the river just to save him. Think about that. She did not know what would happen. She could not see the future. She was just a mother with a breaking heart doing the things she could do. And you know what? Allah protected him. The basket floated safely. It reached the place of Pharaoh himself. And Musa was right inside the house of the man who wanted him dead. Brothers and sisters, this is the first lesson, sabr, patience. When you are going through something painful right now and you cannot see any way out, remember, the mother of Musa alayhi salam, she let go. She was patient and Allah handled the rest in a way she could never have imagined. Your situation right now, Allah already has a plan for it. Just be patient, don't give up. Taqwa, God consciousness. Now Musa grew up. He became a strong young man. One day he saw a man being oppressed, being beaten unfairly. And Musa alayhi salam stepped in. He hit the oppressor and accidentally the man died. Musa alayhi salam was terrified. Musa alayhi salam made a mistake. He left Egypt with nothing, no money, no plan, no family, just the clothes on his back and fear in his heart. Musa alayhi salam ran all the way to a land called Madian. Musa alayhi salam was exhausted, hungry and alone. He sat by a well and saw a young woman waiting, unable to get water because the crowd was too tough. He did not have to help. Nobody was watching. Nobody would have known. But Musa did have taqwa in his heart. Taqwa means you behave correctly even when no one is watching, because you know Allah is always watching. Musa alayhi salam helped those women. He asked nothing in return. He just did the right thing quietly, humbly. And because of that one moment of taqwa, those women told their father. Their father invited Musa alayhi salam into his home, gave him food, shelter, safety, and eventually a job and a wife. Brothers and sisters, this is so important for us today. Sometimes we do the right thing and nobody notices. Nobody claps for us. Nobody says thank you. People may even laugh at us. Do not worry about what people think. Do not do good things for people's approval. Do taqwa. Do it for Allah, because Allah sees everything and He will reward you in a way you can't even imagine. Tawakkul, trust in Allah. Now the biggest moment, Musa alayhi salam had gone back to Egypt. He had stood in front of Pharaoh, the most powerful man, and said, "Let my people go." Pharaoh laughed at him. He mocked him. He sent his entire army after him. Musa alayhi salam ran with thousands of people, men, women, children, all running for their lives. And then they reached the sea. The water was in front of them. Pharaoh's army was behind them. There was nowhere to go. The people was panicked. They said, Musa, we are finished. This is the end. And what Musa alayhi salam say? He said, no, Allah is with us. He did not say this after the miracle. He said it when things looked completely impossible. With the army behind him and the ocean in front of him, he still trusted Allah. And then the sea split, a miracle, a path opened where there was no path, and they crossed to safely. And sisters, how many times in your life have you been at the sea moment? You feel surrounded, you feel trapped, you feel it's over. But it is not over, because Allah can split your sea. 2. He can open a door where there is no way, but you have to trust Him first before miracle, not after. Today, wherever you are, whatever you are going through, remember these 3 things from the life of Musa alayhi salam. Sabr, be patient. Your struggle will not last forever. It will pass. Taqwa, do the right thing even when nobody is watching. Allah see you and He will reward you. Taqwa, trust Allah completely even when you cannot see the way out. He has a plan for you. Allah will not leave your side either. Keep going. Trust the process. Trust Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.